crazy world. You've arrived at, that's a pretty crazy idea. And me, I'm John.
Hey, make sure your contact is nice and clean. Half the time they're all corroded. Bottom bolt is really quite a little bit tough to get in. Ended up having to use my endoscope to see the see how far I dropped the alternator down too far, and so the bolt wouldn't go in. Yeah, that's a bit of a problem, but I'm getting there now. It's just a bunch more turns on just about all the way home. Okay, the next thing is to put the rubber band on. I'm just going to keep this old one and use the new one. I'm going to stick it on before I actually pull it anywhere near tight. So I've got lots of room and it's nice and easy to get around everything. So, yeah. Okay, my rubber band's on. Next I'll put the bracket on, and then I can tie back everything that I got loose. Okay, let's find the alternator. Let's see what she's giving us. Battery alternator. Alternator 1 signal high. So this is the one we want to check. Okay. But we want to find out okay. So let's turn that one back down. Turn the signal high. Let's just check the battery. Okay, so we got steady. Ah, look at that. Completely steady. 14.4 volts. So I'm not getting any 16 to 18 volts at all. Okay. Let's start. Recording. Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. 14.6, 14.5, 14.4. Yeah. Okay. So I would say that is solved. I don't think I've got any problem there. And I'm not sure why this one here is high. Alternator 1 signal. Maybe it just takes a little time to relearn. Fuel level. Okay. ECT sensor. Volts. Idle learn, not done. No engine misfires. Well, I might not burn out my coil packs again, hopefully, because that's probably what's caused the coil packs to all get destroyed, was the high voltage. Ah, look at that. Now that the CKP is now learned, it's completed. So the high output from the alternator was causing it to have a problem there, because I haven't done a relearn on the CKP. So interesting. So the high output on the voltage caused the CKP to not be able to read. Now it's reading naturally. Wonderful. Okay. So I just a few more days of careful driving just to make sure, and that means staying below 3,000 RPM, shifting early, and just keeping it nice and even, and just keep a watch on everything. And I think I've solved the last two problems. Maybe, might be some other problems, but we'll wait and see. I'll be redoing this and learning a bit more about all these sensors and what they mean and how they work, and see if I can get it to the idle learner. So I might have to do that. Okay, let's turn off data recording. Yeah. Good job. Well, that's cleaned up a lot. The catalyst, since I don't have anything in the cat, I guess that's why the efficiency threshold in my cat is coming up as being below optimal. So that's another cheap scan. Let's just see what happens when I... Okay. Interesting thing, all the other ones like the EGR, HTR, EVAC are all okay now. So it's coming along nicely. Okay, now I've got the X tool here. Let's just see. Okay. Read trouble codes. Catalyst efficiency below. Okay, I know what that's all about. Gotta have a cat that actually has some stuff in it. Okay, free frame. Okay, so I'm gonna go with live data, and we're just gonna start the car. And I've had no problems since I've changed the alternator, and so I'm going to check out the idle learn and get that done. And I want to get a new key to make sure that this works. Let's just turn off the recording. There we go. And yeah, so it's looking pretty good. Looks like everything is within spec. I mean, got a bit jumpy with the engine speed, but it could be the idle. But everything is looking good now. So, that's it.